Here we got a 2011 Nissan Altima wrapped in blue. Here we go. Take a quick overlook at the engine. Got a very smooth running 2.5 liter Nissan engine. No problems with it whatsoever. We also got a brand new battery underneath the hood from Napa. This car is wrapped in blue. And that's right, this car has suicide doors on it, as you can see. On the walk around, it has a blue wrap, suicide doors. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this car. It has modded everything except for the rims. That's the only thing that's not modded on this car. But other than that, we have a modded exhaust, a backup camera, a blue wrap all the way around. Makes it very unique. It does have a modified exhaust, which we're about to take a listen to real quick. But there's literally absolutely nothing wrong with this car whatsoever. The wrap is in blue. It has some stripes over here. We also do have LED headlights on this car, which if you want, you can also stay tuned and watch the at night video of this car to be able to see this car at night with underglow. So as you can see, the suicide door is up right now. Let's step in. We got blue LED interior lighting. And if we rev on the gas real quick, we got modified exhaust. So, grab the door real quick, shut it. You gotta lower it. That's it. So this car does have an aftermarket head unit, Apple Carplay, Android Auto, backup camera, cold AC and everything. It's bird code. So you can see we have under the glow lighting, both the front and back seats. We also have blue interior lighting. We also have a function up here where you can connect your phone if you have another phone.
Ready.
And that's it. So, this car does have 143,896 miles, and that's it. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this car. The only reason why the TPMS light is on is there are no sensors in the tires, but the tires are literally brand new tires, so you should be fine. Once again, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us or call us at any time. Please stay tuned for the at night video of this car. Here we got a 2011 Nissan Altima S. As you've seen in the daytime video, it's wrapped in blue, but this is the nighttime view. So at the front of the car, as you can see right here, we got underglow with LED headlights. I know the camera doesn't really pick it up that well, but trust me, in person it looks amazing. So if you look right here underneath the car, got some great underglow. With the suicide doors, sheesh, this thing's looking clean. So if we do another walk around, we got full underglow on the entire car. There's suicide door up in the air. As you can see, the blue is lit up all inside, but we're about to take you inside. That blue with that underglow. Here we are on the back. You still got your regular bulbs, but you do have LED license plate bulbs, which make it a lot brighter, trust me. And then you also do have your modified exhaust, if you can hear that. And then come to the other side of the car, you still got your underglow. Trust me, it makes this car look amazing. It can be set to any color, it can fade in and out. Whatever you want it to do, you can do it. It's all app controlled, Bluetooth. So put the app on your phone, that's all you got to do. As you can see, we still have those LED headlights on the front. So if you come with me real quick, step inside the car, suicide door up. You got your blue underglow LED. Step inside the car, the door is open. You do have blue lights all around the car. So once again, you do have suicide doors up. If you look at the pictures of the inside during the day and also during the night, you can see the suicide doors are open. And that's it. So if you come back outside with me real quick, shut the door. It's gonna beep real quick. And that's it. So, if you guys have any questions or need to contact me, please feel free to message me at any time.
and the post is still up. It's still available. Thank you.